Welcome and cool paradigms for some do-it-yourself peanut butter. Peanuts have an interesting nutritional profile, especially for magnesium and B vitamins. By the way, because we generally eat roasted peanuts, it's also interesting to look at the difference in vitamin content before and after the roasting process. Please look at the description for more detailed. More specifically, now about peanut butter. In many places, it's difficult to find some organic and sweetened peanut butter with a specific geographical origin. But it's generally much easier to find specific organic whole peanuts. So it's interesting to make peanut butter ourselves, especially with an original device like a juice extractor that can quickly transform peanuts into a delicious peanut butter. Please note that stainless steel juice extractors are more sturdy than plastic extractors, and I have no idea if peanuts can damage the plastic. Once done, we need to be careful about preservation parameters. Adding salt and keeping the peanut butter inside the fridge is of course going to increase the shelf life. Thank you for watching.